If we're doing Agile, we don't need a plan. If I had £1 for every time I heard this, I wouldn't have to work. This is such a common misconception and utter lie. It's so funny. I have 3 quotes for you about plans. The first one from Winston Churchill. Failing to plan is planning to fail. The second one from General Dwight D. Eisenhower. The only reason we write plans is so that we can replan. And the third one from Karl von Clausewitz, a German military philosopher. No plan survives initial contact with the enemy. In other words, as soon as we start doing something, we know it's going to change. It's an absolute nonsense to say that you don't plan in Agile. Now, depending upon the framework or system that you use, there will be plans. If we take Scrum, for example, the primary tool we have is a product backlog. However, that does not exclude us from doing any other strategic planning. A product owner is an Agile product manager, and they should involve and engage appropriate product management skills to see the long game, to have a vision. Now, as soon as we do that, we should be having product visions that will be achieved by a product goal, and then we can use a tool like a product roadmap to forecast it. Once our team starts delivering and we have a roadmap or a story map, we have a delivery plan. It is broad and not very granular. The reason being, we know it's going to change. The appropriate use of Agile is in situations of complexity and uncertainty where we can apply these adaptive techniques as our learning emerges. And that's why we use empirical process control. Transparency, inspection, adaptation allows us to apply our learning from feedback to our new situation. So it's not that we don't plan, we constantly plan, we constantly replan. We have product backlog refinement so that we can keep making a better understanding of what's coming up next. Every sprint, we will start with sprint planning, where we'll break down the activities needed to achieve our sprint goal. Every day, our developers, our delivery team will get together and they will have a very granular, immediate plan to get them through to the next daily Scrum. So we do plan. We plan at multiple cadences. We plan frequently, and at the granular tactical level, we will replan every day. So planning is the absolute backbone of professional Agile delivery. And this is the core of it. A lot of teams think that Agile allows chaotic behavior, that it allows random delivery of anything that a particular team wants. Professional Agile teams, whether they're using Kanban, Scrum, other processes, will have clear visions, clear goals, roadmaps on how to achieve those goals, and a shorter term tactical delivery on how to get to the next waypoint. Professional Agile teams replan continuously and aren't afraid to update or change their plans based on empirical objective data connected through to the customer. Remember what Churchill said, failure to plan is planning to fail.